Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Ldrs Creative. I just wanted to share with you this new craft kit by Ldrs, which is called Pastry Pals, and it features 14 stamp sets. They are incredibly cute, which is why I'm sharing it with you today. That one is the cinnamon roll, and look at the expression on her face, really cute. And the donut with a donut hole. And this is like a Pop-Tart, really cute, and a cupcake, a muffin, and he's winking there because he's a stud muffin. And you have a lot of sentiments to go with it, like "You Complete Me" will go with the donut and the donut hole, and "Do Not Give Up," and "Happy Birthday," which will also go with the cupcake, "What's Poppin'," which would go with the Pop-Tart, and "You Take the Cake." And I like the way your roll is for the cinnamon roll. "You Take the Cake" is for the cupcake and stuff like that if you're making a birthday cake or a birthday card, and "Stud Muffin" goes with the muffin. And what I love about the Ldrs creative dies are they are already detabbed, so you don't have to use any snips to cut them out. And I also love the fact that they have coloring samples for every packaging so that you will be able to see and figure out how to color them, because sometimes it's really difficult to color images, especially if they are small. So I really love that they have that at the back. And then there's 3 stencils included in the kit, and this is called the Circles 3 Layering Stencils, and you can create a lot of good backgrounds on that. And as you can see, I've already colored the images. And this one is what I'm so excited about. This is called Offset Slimline Stackables, which is like 4 slimline dies that you can use not only for slimline but also for some 5x7 cards or 8x2 cards or your mini slimline cards. So I have 2 samples here. The first one that you see is these birthday card, and I die cut the white background there with the hot pink edge with using the die, and I really love how this one turned out. And the background, I use my watercolor to just add some sprinkles to it. And I colored the cupcakes in rainbow order, which is so cute. And then the sentiment I colored with the same colors that I use for the cupcakes, so I really love that. And the splashy ink in the background is for just added textures. So this turned out really cute, and I love this card. And for the sprinkles, I use my gold gel pen to just add some gold details to it, and I really love how this one turned out. And for the second card, I have an A2 size card here, and the edge there that I die cut using the Slimline die set, which is included in the kit. And isn't that amazing? I really like that edge, and the images are just so cute. And this is Stud Muffin with the Pop-Tart, and I use the sentiment "What's Poppin'." And for the background there, I use the Candy Counter 6x6 paper pad, which is also from Ldrs Creative, that you can purchase separately. So the possibilities are endless with this craft kit, and you can add the wow factor with the fun edges using the offset slimline stackables dies, and you can use any of these in your paper crafting projects. So grab them now before they sell out, because as with any other Ldrs creative craft kit, they sell out so fast. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box below, so you'll be able to find it quickly. And I cannot wait to see your projects using this craft kit. Thank you for stopping by today, and I hope you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you again, and happy crafting!